We're here at MWC 2018 and we're here at Sony's booth, and we have the Sony Xperia XZ2 right here, and as well as the XZ2 Compact. So this is the bigger one of the two, the XZ2, and as you can see, there is a new design language now. Gone are the chunky bezels in favor of the thinner ones. And on the back, you can see that there is now a glass back which enables wireless charging. However, this feature is only available on the XZ2, not the XZ2 Compact. And while the back is similar to a certain HTC phone, I don't quite like the fingerprint sensor placement over here. It's much too low. You have to reach down to activate it. It's actually much more natural to cover the lens itself, which is not good. Another feature that is exclusive to the XZ2 is the dynamic vibration system. Basically, it works a lot like the PlayStation 4's DualShock controller, where you'll get rumble feedback based on what you're watching on the screen. You can play game, you can listen to music, or you can even watch a video. As long as it has an audio feedback, the feature will work. And then we have the new and improved camera. Previously, the Motion Eye camera could capture 960 frames per second at only 720p. But now with this new phone, you can capture at 1080p. The camera quality itself, on the other hand, is a bit of a mixed bag. While images look good when you capture it, once you zoom into it, you see that the image quality is actually not that great. This can be attributed to Sony's aggressive post-processing, and it's really something that Sony phones have struggled with in the past. Aside from that, the camera itself isn't as responsive as it could be. There is a noticeable stutter in between shots, which really hurts the shooting experience. So this is the XZ2 Compact, the smaller device of the two. As its name suggests, it shares many of the XZ2 specifications, including the same processor, display resolution, as well as camera system. There are, however, a couple of differences. For one, it has a plastic back, so you don't get wireless charging. And aside from that, the dynamic vibration system is also not available here. The Sony Xperia XZ2 and the XZ2 Compact will be available to consumers sometime next month. We don't know when it will reach Malaysia, but we're pretty confident it will reach our shores eventually. While the XZ2 and XZ2 Compact are pretty good flagship tier phones, in a market dominated by behemoths like Samsung and Apple, these two phones don't exactly stand out. That being said, the XZ2 Compact is a flagship smartphone in a compact form factor, and not many phone makers offer such a package.